Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Robo-advisor settings on Wealthfront, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Robo-advisor settings on Wealthfront, begin by opening the Wealthfront app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. On the dashboard, locate the Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings to reveal various options. Find the section labeled Investment Preferences or Portfolio Settings. Select this section to view your current Robo-advisor settings. Review your current risk tolerance level. If you wish to adjust it, click on the edit icon next to your risk tolerance. Choose a new risk level that aligns with your investment goals. Next, check your asset allocation. If changes are required, select the allocation percentages you prefer. Make sure these allocations still align with your overall financial strategy. After adjusting your preferences, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. You may be prompted to confirm your changes. Proceed by confirming. Your updated settings will now be reflected in your Robo-advisor account. To verify updates, return to the Investment Preferences section. Ensure your new settings are displayed accurately. Finally, log out of your account to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.